Hi guys, I'm Katie from Bags of Love. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew blanket with custom printed fabric easily at home with no fancy supplies. I'm going to make a double layer fleece blanket with a no knot edge. This is a really unique take on the typical tie blanket, so I'm excited. Okay, let's go! For this style of blanket, I'm going to need 2 coordinating pieces of fleece, some measuring tape, and some scissors. That's literally it. I chose to print pictures of dogs on this fabric because I love dogs, but you can print anything on it. Family photos, pictures of your newborn, a pattern that you designed, anything that you can imagine. I also chose to make a collage blanket so I could fit even more cute pictures of dogs. So before we get started, you're going to want to prep your fabric. If your fabric is not cut on the line, you're going to need to trim the white space. This is super quick and easy to do. Now that that's done, you're gonna want to make sure that the 2 pieces of fabric are stacked on top of each other so that they cut exactly the same. Now that I have them on top of each other, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut a 4-inch square out of each corner of the blanket. And then you are going to want to cut 4-inch strips around the edge of the blanket, and each strip is going to be about 1.5 inches wide. Okay. You're also going to want to cut a hole in the center of the top of each strip. These are going to be about 1 inch long. I'm going to need this to create the type of blanket that we're going for today. Now I'm going to bind the blankets together. What you're going to do is you're going to take the strip and you're going to pull it through the hole and essentially flip it over like that. And now I'm going to do this around the remainder of the blanket. And that's it! These no-sew blankets are literally that easy to make. This only took a few minutes and no sewing skills required. If you guys decide to make one of these no-sew blankets, let me know how you found it and what style you chose. Any tips or tricks you have, let me know because I would definitely love to make more of these in the future. Thanks guys, bye!